Hey babes, today's video is a tutorial for this bronzy summery makeup look.
So I'm going to start my makeup by applying a primer, and because it's summer and my skin tends to be more oily than usual, I'm going to use the Benefit Pore Filter. It has a gel texture and it really smooths and it mattifies my skin. And I'm applying it in the center of the face. On the highest parts of my face, I'm going to use the Stroke Cream from MAC. This is in Gold Light, and I'm loving this product during summer because it leaves my skin glowy on the highest points of my face, and it looks like it glows naturally. You see? It's so beautiful. For foundation, I'm going to use my favorite one. It's Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I just love this product. It has a natural finish to it. For concealer today, I'm going to use my new favorite, Infallible More Than Concealer from L'Oreal. And I like that it has a high coverage. I have the shade Cashmere and it blends beautifully. And of course I'm blending from the outer part to the lashes. Up so it gets in every fine line that I have. And now with some loose setting powder, I'm going to set everything in place. And now we're going to move on to the eyebrows, and first I'm going to apply some Give Me Brow from Benefit. I have the shade number 3, and with this product I'm going to comb my eyebrows up. You see the difference? And in the spare places where I have some missing hairs, I'm going to apply precisely my brow pencil in shade 3. With the spoolie that is on the other hand on the crayon, I'm going to comb them up again, and the product will spread evenly and beautifully onto the brow. And then I come with Give Me Brow again, and I'm fixing in place all the hairs. Now it's time to move on to the eyes. I have already primed my lids using MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And for the eyeshadows, I'm going to use this Morphe palette. It's called 25B. And I'm going to start with applying this shade, which is called Pots. I am using my Zoeva brush number 231. And I'm packing the color onto the lid and in the crease. After I achieve the desired shape that I want, I come and I blend out the edges. And using the same brush, I'm using left and right small motions to lightly diffuse the eyeshadow. Then with this kind of brush, I'm blending the edges even more. Using soft circular motions and also left and right motions. From the same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use Truth to blend out the edges even more, and for this I'm going to use the brush from Zoeva 221 Luxe Soft Grease. Next I'm going to use the shade Topaz from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply it with the brush from Zoeva 232 Classic Shader on the lid right into the inner corner. And on top of it, from the Hyper Real Glow from MAC Cosmetics, I'm going to use this shade to brighten it up even more, to make it shinier. And as you can see, I'm using the same brush. On the inner corner, I'm going to use this shade. And on the brow bone, to highlight and to lift this area even more. On the lower lash line, I'm applying the same eyeshadow box, and on top of it, I'm applying Topaz. Now I'm going to contour my face using the Shade and Light Contour Palette from Kat Von D and an angled brush from MAC. So for highlighting my face, I'm going to use the Hyper Real Glow palette from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to use a mixture between this shade and this shade. Oh yes! What I like about this shade is that you can make them as intense as you want them to be. For blush, I'm going to use this baby from Inglot, and it's Freedom System number 125. For lips, I'm going to use my favorite combination, the Spice MAC Lip Pencil and the liquid lipstick from Golden Rose. On top of it, I'm going to apply the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Now I'm going to apply some mascara and some magnetic false lashes, and I will be right back. And this is the final look with the magnetic eyelashes. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel for more videos coming up every week. Thank you guys again for watching, and hopefully I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.